Are you struggling with the Mfc120 Unicode DLL runtime failure ruining your workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to clear this error for good. This DLL file is the Unicode-enabled Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio 2013. It allows C++ applications to display complex user interfaces with international character support on desktop versions of Windows. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is the safest fix. Download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ Redistributables from Microsoft and install them. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mfc120 Unicode file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading the Mfc120 Unicode DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing the Mfc120 Unicode dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Microsoft Visual C++ workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.